Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. This video today will show you how to find the relay for the ignition switch. If your ignition switch on your Ford Focus does not work, doesn't want to turn the car on, check that relay, guys. Also, there are a few fuses that you need to check under ECU. Check out the videos. In the meantime, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, guys. We're trying to save you as much money as we can. That's why we created this channel, so we can help each other out. So please, guys, subscribe for all the work we do. Now, what do we need to do? We need to open the hood. We need to locate the fuse box, which is next to the car battery fuse box, right there. You can see air filter, car battery, fuse box. This cover now, we'll need to remove it. There is one thing you need to press in and pull up. Okay, there is one clip here that you need to just pull out, and two more on the front. Eventually they will come out. Looking at the box this way, okay, it's the same layout of fuses and relays as looking that way. And that way you can tell which number it is. So in our case, we need to check relay number 16, R16. If it starts with F, this is a fuse. If it starts with R, this is a relay. In our case, R16 is this one here. This is the one for the ignition coil, for the ignition switch, excuse me. Now, all the tools, guys, including the replacement parts like this relay, you can find them in the description of the video below. So please check it out, that's for your convenience. That relay is super tight. Some people, okay, use screwdrivers. I can use a screwdriver to pry it out, or pliers. But you can damage it or damage your box, so be very careful. I just wiggle it left and right and it comes out. Now we have a special video on our channel how to test this kind of relays, so you know if the relay is good or not, because there is no need to waste your money, to be honest with you. And this is the relay. Okay, let me show you right here some of the numbers. Okay, perfect. So you can find it in the description of the video below. Let me go ahead and grab the new one quick. Okay, right there. You can see identical Ford Motor Company replacement relay. So when you're ready to install it, you have to make sure which way it goes. In our case, it goes this way. Make sure it's all the way in. Push until it gets really deep and you cannot push them more. After that, do not forget to install your cover. All we have to do, align everything, press really good until you hear a click. Perfect. This is it, guys. So, now, don't forget, guys, again to subscribe. We'll have so many videos on this car and other vehicles as well. We're here to help you as much as we can, guys. So, thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.